Hi and welcome to Mika's Garage. Today we're converting a Solex H30-31 into 6 volts. You have two elements that are 12 volts. A cold air choke that is going to be replaced with a 6 volt part, and the fuel cutoff valve that is going to be deleted. The first step is to remove the cutoff valve by unbolting the 14mm nut. As you can see, this is a simple plunger that stops the fuel from going into the car when the ignition is off. We'll then remove the choke by unbolting the 3 bolts that hold it in place. These parts off, it's not possible to put the bolt into the fuel cutoff gallery, which removes the functionality that cuts off the fuel when the ignition is off. By hooking the bimetallic coil into the cold air mechanism and securing it with the ring and 3 bolts we had removed there. You can take this opportunity that you have the car outside of the car and adjust the cold start mechanism to the desired position. With the 6 volts conversion finished, we can now start putting the car back to the car. First, you place the car into the ignition without forgetting the gasket. Then, you put the 2 13mm nuts and tighten them to spike. The next step is to connect the 6 volts that come from the coil into the choke and connect the fuel hose. Now put the accelerator cable through the cable clamp in the accelerator lever and tighten the accelerator clamp. Finally, connect the vacuum hose to the car and install the air filter. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section and do support us by clicking that subscribe button. See you next time.